Welcome to the Learning Hub, your dedicated space to explore and access a wide range of educational content. This section allows you to engage with quizzes, articles, videos, and courses to enhance your knowledge and skills. Let's dive into the details. To begin, navigate to the Learn and Grow module from the left menu on your dashboard. Once opened, you'll see the entire library of content organized for easy navigation. At the top of the screen, you'll find 3 tabs for skill levels: Beginner, Intermediate, and Advanced. Selecting any of these will filter the content to show resources tailored to that skill level. Below that, you'll discover separate sections for quizzes, articles, videos, and courses. Let's explore each section in detail. The Quizzes section is designed to test your knowledge interactively. At the top, you'll see a search bar to find specific quizzes by title. Each quiz tile displays the creator's name, the date it was created, the quiz title and description, the number of questions, the number of attempts, and the number of likes. To access and attempt a quiz, click on the View button. The Articles section lets you browse informative and engaging written content. You can search for specific articles using the search bar. Each article tile includes the creator's name, the date it was created, the article title and description, the estimated reading time, the number of reads, and the number of likes. Click the Read button to open and read the complete article. In the Videos section, you can find video-based learning materials. Use the search bar to look for videos by title. Each video tile displays the creator's name, the date it was created, the video platform, the number of views, the number of likes, the video title and description. To watch a video, click the Watch button. The Courses section offers in-depth learning opportunities. Search for specific courses using the search bar, or browse through the available options. Each course tile contains the creator's name, the date it was created, the course title and description, the number of modules, the number of enrollments, and the number of likes. Click the Checkout button to enroll in and start the course. The Learn and Grow module makes it easy to explore, engage, and excel in your learning journey. With resources tailored to your skill level, it's the perfect place to grow your knowledge and skills. Start exploring today and unlock your potential.